So next another concept. A body is sliding on a rough inclined plane with a constant velocity. A body is sliding down on rough inclined plane with a constant velocity. Rough inclined plane with a constant velocity. And a body is sliding down from top to bottom. The body is sliding down from top of the plane to bottom of the plane with what velocity? Constant velocity. The same body projected up. The same body projected upwards. The same body projected up from bottom of the plane. The same body projected up from bottom of the plane. Then distance traveled before coming to rest. Okay, boss? A body is sliding down from top of the plane on rough inclined plane, from top to bottom on rough inclined plane with constant velocity, and reaches the bottom. The same body projected up with velocity u from bottom of the plane. Then the distance traveled before coming to rest is. Then what is the distance traveled before coming to rest? That is the concept. Okay. Once again I am explaining you. A body is sliding down from top to bottom of the plane with a constant velocity. The same body projected upwards with the same velocity from bottom of the plane. Then distance traveled before coming to rest. Actually, this body is sliding down with constant velocity. Now, what is acceleration here? Actually, acceleration on rough inclined plane. Acceleration on rough inclined plane. A is equal to g sin theta minus mu k g into cos theta. Okay. A is equal to g sin theta minus mu k g cos. Actually, this body moving down with a constant velocity. Velocity constant. When velocity constant, what is acceleration, boss? Whenever velocity constant, what is acceleration? Acceleration of a block on rough inclined plane while moving down formula g sin theta minus mu k g cos. If this body moving down with a constant velocity, what is acceleration? Acceleration is 0. A is equal to 0. Okay. The acceleration is equal to 0. Now substitute was 0 is equal to g sin theta minus mu k g into cos theta. Therefore, g sin theta is equal to mu k g into cos theta. It is g sin theta is equal to mu k g into cos theta. Give us. Next what given? The body projected with velocity u, same velocity u from bottom of the plane. Then distance traveled before coming to rest. Okay. Now your body moving down. In first case, your body moving down. Your body moving up on rough inclined plane. Actually, from equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Distance traveled before coming to rest. What is the final velocity? 0 square minus initial velocity u square is equal to 2 into acceleration. Now, what is the acceleration while moving up? Okay, when body is sliding down rough inclined plane, acceleration is what? G sin theta minus mu k g cos. Whenever the body moving up the plane on rough inclined plane, okay, it is not acceleration, it is retardation, a negative acceleration, a minus. G sin theta plus mu k g into cos theta into s. Okay, here it is negative acceleration. Here minus g sin theta plus mu k g cos into s. Here both sides minus cancel. Okay, it is u square. U square is equal to 2 into g sin theta plus, here minus minus cancel. But from equation 1, what is the mu kg cos value boss? Mu kg cos value what? G sin theta. And mu kg cos value what? So g sin theta into s. Okay boss? G sin plus g sin. You substitute. Now g sin plus g sin what? Now e square is equal to 2 into 2g sin theta into s. Then what is the distance traveled before coming to rest? Formula s is equal to u square by 2 into 2, 4g sin theta. S is equal to u square by 4g sin theta. Whenever the body moving down on rough inclined plane, acceleration g sin minus mu kg cos. Whenever body is sliding up the plane, what is acceleration? G sin theta plus mu kg cos. G sin plus mu kg cos. Okay.